Hello friends, this is Abhishek. Welcome back to the AngularJS video tutorial. We will continue the our last video tutorial and with the example as well. Okay, in our last video tutorials, we have seen how we can implement the HTTP GET request. Okay, and how we can get the IP address of a current page. Okay. So now here I have created a separate function and then calling this particular HTTP service, okay, AJAX request. So now what we are going to do in this video tutorial, we'll create a custom service, okay, and then we will access that service in our application with the same example. Okay, so let's start how we can create the services in AngularJS. So it's very simple. App.service, your service name, that is get IP, your callback function, okay, and in this service what we are using, we want the HTTP service, so I'll include the HTTP service, so it will help us to send a request to our particular server, and then inside here we'll cut this and paste in our services. We are not using any scope, we will use this get IP address method and the same, and here what we are going to do, we will return the IP address, and if we face any error, then we will return the whole object of error. Okay, let's make it some more standard way. We'll set it to callback. For this callback will work 101%. okay, so whenever you try to return a value, always try to create a callback function, so it will be beneficial to you to create a sequential execution of your JavaScript code. Okay, now we have a service called get IP. We have included the standard HTTP request service, and we'll send a request to particular URL, response will handle to this, and callback. Okay, now we will remove the HTTP from here and will include get IP. This is our service, and I'll set it as a get IP. And now what we are doing, we will create a $scope dot get address, okay, and then function, and here get IP dot get IP address, okay, and function, and then we'll just alert the response. Okay, whatever the IP address will come inside this response, and whatever if there is an error, that is also available here. Okay, now we will call this method on our button click. Right, now just run this application, the output will be same. Perfect. Okay, and if we set it to, we also console.log response. Okay, now we will set a wrong URL. Let's see what happens. Okay, inside inspect console, we'll click over here, we'll return object, and object we will get all the status of your current request, right? And now just load this in a separate file, so this will become easier to hide your code. You just need to include a get IP or like whatever you want to create your own services. Okay, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video tutorial. If you have any suggestion, any comments, please write down below the video. Okay, and you can also find all my video tutorials on youtube.com/webboostings. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Till then, keep learning, keep watching. Thanks.